Thank you so much for joining us for another edition of All Angles. I'm Dion Jacksmiller, and my guest for the full segment, the full hour, I should say, we have Tammy Chin Mitchell and Wayne Mitchell. I just want to remind you right at the start, remember our hashtag is TVJ All Angles. Please tweet along with us. Thank you both so much for joining us. So great to have you.
So happy to be here.
All right, on the need for tell my viewer them how many months me running the door.
No,
Months.
not true.
Dion, you must know this by now that you are a very intimidating
Yes.
journalist. So I had to
Even by email, even by my producer's email.
Well, I mean, just your name is.
No,
is-
when he told me, I said, "Who? Us? We? Me and you? And no."
I had to think to myself, but hold on there. But I've seen Dion do a lot of hardcore grilling. But me and Dion have nothing, so I don't have no problem. And then I started to think to myself, why not? Why not do this interview?
Well, why not? And I said nothing before it's time. Looking at your YouTube channel, I mean, you guys consistently get 100,000 hits, 150, up to 250,000. What was your vision when you started it, though?
Not that.
Really?
I could have never imagined that people would have been so interested by our lives. I knew people would be interested, but not that interested. And it's interesting to see what it has kind of morphed into, what it started as. It just started as us wanting to document our day-to-day and how we were managing in the pandemic, right as we were locked down. And we literally started this back in April, I believe it was. Mm-hmm. And so never in a million years did I think it would then become such a part of our lives and such a part of everybody's lives as well.
I was wondering, because you had a podcast before,
Yes.
Tammy Tackles Everything, and I was wondering if the podcast kind of morphed into the YouTube channel, because I know at one stage you had said you were trying to figure out how to put a visual element to it.
True. YouTube has always been on my radar as far as definitely a space I wanted to enter, and I still even have hopes of entering that space on my own as well as the vlog, because it's just such an excellent medium. I love YouTube. So you're right, yes, Tammy Tackles Everything, the podcast, almost became a YouTube channel, may still yet. But at the time, the right next move felt like the vlog.
I will laugh all the time and say that the vlog feels like our podcast that we share
Yes.
together, because we discuss issues ranging from current affairs to parenting,
To
anything
marriage,
that turns
yeah.
up on a day-to-day basis can become the main conversation for the vlog. And so it almost
It's
feels
true.
like an extension of a podcast.
It's true.
I mean, it really took off. Loop did a review and called you guys the most entertaining Jamaican family on YouTube. The Gleaner said you're capturing hearts with warmth and authenticity. Meet the Mitchells provides the ultimate home entertainment for families, couples and singles. And even when you look at the comments on your YouTube channel, a couple of your viewers, I love the chemistry between you both. Every time D.I. Wayne steps out, we soon get to him. There's a new addition to the gear. Someone else says there's so much love in this family. Have you been, you said you never expected this type of response, but the quality in terms of the fact how relatable people find you and at the same time seem to see you as something to aspire to. Is that problematic? Because I heard you say that you try to detach yourself from hashtags like couples goals and marriage goals. Why?
Yeah. It does put a lot of pressure on you, if I'm being completely honest. And so I feel like the vlog has almost become an effort to dismantle what people think is perfect and perfection. And so we have included, the fact that we do argue. That's a part of how we function in this marriage. We don't agree on everything. We have issues with our kids that we have to sort through, meaning I'm constantly trying to almost not buckle under the pressure of feeling like couples goals by just showing the truth of it, because it can feel like a lot if you get attached to that idea. And I still want to maintain the marriage that we have, the respect we have for each other, but also our individuality.
Yeah, one of the most relatable elements of what we do is the fact that we don't present as perfect. We don't put on some facade, like
or what we think is perfect.
or what we
Anyway.
think. There's nothing perfect about the vlog. The house isn't perfect. The relationship isn't perfect. Our parenting skills, we're learning as we go, just like a lot of other young people out there who are parents. And I think they relate to us and they learn with us. And we show them what we have learned over the last month, over the last 14 years of being parents. So it's kind of one hand wash the other, where they help us. By virtue of comments, by virtue of bucking us up in the road and saying, "Boy, I love how you deal with Atlas and that." You know,
or try this.
Yeah.
Those are my favorites. Try this. When
But
did
you
that?
don't think though that even more reinforces the idea of couples goals and family goals, because it's like, see them then quarrel and then make up back, gonna kiss and make up. So it's like people look at you and say, that's what I want.
Yeah, maybe. I guess we just can't let it get to us, you know, because I think, you know, we have to still maintain a healthy marriage. And I think part of that is keeping our eyes on each other and not what everybody thinks we should be.
Why do you think people like this kind of thing though? I mean, watching you tickle us, watching Atlas eat cane, being homeschooled, your hair getting blow dried. What is it about this kind of show that makes people want to tune in?
I think it just taps into the human nature of everybody who wants to see a loving family, who wants to see
themselves sometimes.
See themselves. A lot of people are from broken homes. So we're presenting a home that is stable in a sense, you know, both parents, children, people.
A blended family too.
A blended family.
Yeah.
So people relate to or want to aspire or are inspired to think that, okay, this wasn't my experience as a child, but I like this. I love what I'm seeing here, and this is what I want for the family that I will build in the future. So a lot of young people say, boy, Jano, so me want to have my family with my wife and we can laugh and talk and we have kids that are funny, and you know, so they're different.
I think people are also interested just generally, like you know like how you may watch a reality show just to kind of see how people are. And so I always say, you know, people might come just to see, but then they might stay because it was so much more than just seeing how our house was, or how we look without, or how I look without makeup, or how we are with our children. And you know, they actually maybe get stuck in the family for more than that, you know. Because
Tammy loves vlogs.
Yeah.
And one of the aspects of vlogs that you love is just growing with the
family grow.
Yeah. Seeing the children grow. Sometimes you don't watch for 4 months and you come
go back and
say,
like, look how ours get so big.
Look how big I'm talking now, and you know.
Yeah.
So there's so many different connections that people make, you know.
What does family mean to each of you?
Family is everything to me. I'm one of 5. And so to this day, there's not a day that doesn't go by that I don't speak to each of my siblings and my parents.
Really?
Yeah, and my parents aren't married anymore. They're both remarried to other people, and we still maintain this very strong unit. It means support. It means, you know, people having your back no matter what. It's really been a source of unconditional love for me, no judgment. I couldn't ask for a better example of family, and I would say that I am trying every day to recreate that in my own family and have my children, my husband know that, you know, we are here for you. We will hunker down no matter what.
Do you think you have?
So far.
What about you, Wayne? Family?
Family, as she put it so well, you know, family is just that constant, you know, source of it just tethers you to life. Yeah, the friendships come and go. Family is the constant thing, you know. And I've learned, and I'm the man who I am based on my relationships with family. Mommy, daddy passed a few years ago, and I have one brother as well in my immediate family. But family is everything, man. Family is everything.
Okay, so when people look at the family that you portray, what do you want them to come away with?
That it is possible to have a loving support system, that we don't have to be, I mean, something that I come across a lot is this idea that there are so many families, which I didn't really understand. who are at odds with each other. Like, I don't know what it's like to not talk to my sister for years. And I can't imagine something that could come between me and my family. And so I think the most important thing is I'm hoping that people can see a functioning blended family as well. You know, we co-parent Gio, who is Wayne's eldest son, with Regina, who we've co-parented for his entire life, it feels like. And we do it seamlessly. I laugh and say we co-parent like a braid. So, you know, things like that, just really putting our children at the center of everything and being there for one another.
That idea of co-parenting, Gio, is something that a lot of people look on and say, I want to do that.
Yeah.
In fact, you did an episode of your podcast,
Yes.
Tammy
Yeah.
Tackles Everything, speaking to Regina, who is Gio's mom, and talking about how you both do it. Wayne, you first. What's it like for you watching that work?
It's beautiful, and it's our reality, but from time to time I speak to people outside who say, yo, how do you do that? Explain to me how you make it. I will not say it, but do you know that word, the baby mother? How you make a baby mother them, you know? And we don't use that. We don't use that. How I was able to create that, or where that come from? Because in our world, it's toxic, you know. And the mothers in the situation don't talk. Regina and Tammy are closer than me and Regina. You know what I mean?
All right, hold that thought. Let me go to break, do a little bit of business. Remind our viewers that you can follow along with us, tweet along with us at TVJ All Angles. We're back in just a moment.